Something else I'm watching is what's happening across central Texas, especially with the heat. 96 degrees is where we hit for today at Camp Mabry. Our normal high around this time of year is 97. The record 107, so we stayed about 11 degrees away from that. Sunrise was at 6:41 a.m., sunset at 8:33 p.m. But as you can tell, we're starting to barely see the sunlight go away. Current temperatures right now already back down into the 80s, 87 in Austin, 84 in Bastrop, 86 in Dripping Springs, San Marcos at 85 degrees. In the Hill Country, 81. LaGrange dropped down into the 70s, but that was because of some of the showers that came in earlier this afternoon. And as quick as they got there, they left, and we were pretty much done for the day. In fact, satellite and radar, you can see the outflow boundary that had come through, but that was pretty much it. Even as I move out of the way for the eastern counties, you can see the closest rainfall that we got last was along 290, and that also dissipated. We'll zoom out a bit more for the rest of where all that tropical moisture has been. Without that daytime heating in there, it lost a lot of steam, and now we don't see as much rainfall falling across any of the I-10 corridor. In fact, even as we play this out, we have an updated model now. It's saying it doesn't expect to see anything early in the morning. You may get a few spotty showers as the day goes on, but that'll pretty much be it. But as you can tell, the model's really starting to remove stuff out there. I'm keeping a 10% chance of rain in there for Saturday, though, because we have two conflicting models. I went ahead and showed you this one because it really didn't show very much, and I feel like this is more the way we're going to lead, but I'm going to throw that 10% in there in case we get a spotty shower fly by midday on Saturday itself. This, I can confidently tell you, is what we're going to be seeing. 97 to 98 degrees. We're back up to average as we get into Sunday. Maybe even tomorrow, Saturday, we may even reach up to 97 if no one gets any rainfall whatsoever. You'll get up to about 98 degrees as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And even then, we're getting closer and closer to 99 degrees. The other thing we're going to be worried about is obviously going to be that heat index value. Of course, that's going to be your temperature and your relative humidity, getting us back up to 100 to 105 as we get into Saturday. The same as we get out towards Sunday. And you know what? We'll do the same thing on Monday as well. And we'll rinse and repeat pretty much all week long as that feels like temperatures back up to 100 to 105. So in case you're wondering why some of those showers really started to break apart, it's because of the Saharan dust. It looks like it's going to last with us for a bit, but as you can tell, even that's going to go on its way out. So threw in that 10% chance of rainfall in case we get a spotty shower or two. Other than that, we'll keep us at around 97 degrees for Sunday, 97 for Monday, back up to 98 degrees as we get out towards Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Notice we're going to keep partly cloudy the entire way through, and your lows are going to stay within the mid-70s with humidity staying pretty far up there. All right, folks, we're going to take a quick break, and we'll be right back.